Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will teach you how to withdraw to GCash in Binance. Let's begin. So what is GCash? GCash, if you can see what's on my screen right now, is the most popular real-time payment process in the Philippines where Filipinos are using this to purchase goods and services, may it be online or virtual or their restaurants and other businesses. So the good thing about GCash is you can also make transactions in Binance for cryptocurrency. So how are we going to withdraw to GCash? So in my case, I'll show you how. Let's go to wallet and I will go to my spot wallet and where I normally store all my cryptos and other coins that I got from trading. So just click on withdraw, okay? And it will lead you to this page. So we do have other tutorials, guys, for withdrawal for other currencies or for other cryptocurrencies. You may also, check on our site for that. In this case, I'm just showing you for Philippine peso, the options for us to withdraw. So here you can see bank transfer, and for GCash, we can choose P2P. For P2P, guys, it would lead you to this page. So pretty much, it would be associated with other sell, but the idea is really to withdraw and then have it on your GCash. Once you fill in the needed amount that you have here, you just click on this button. Most of the time, it would actually lead you to P2P page. For P2P or P2Peer, peer-to-peer, sorry, you can pretty much sell your crypto here. This is most common ways for you to withdraw your GCash, withdraw your crypto rather, that will be converted to fiat to your GCash through here. So there, if you could see, there's like payment options right here, and then you can see GCash, and this is how you're going to make the transactions to withdraw money from Binance to GCash. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.